Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to be working on my bike now that ever since it broke down on the highway on me. I'm gonna start ripping her apart. First things first, I got my crankcase filled with fuel, so we gotta change the oil, and we're gonna go ahead and change the oil first. First step is to, well, if you can, have it ran for 20 minutes so the oil could be nice and warm. It could just come out a lot faster and smoother. But as of right now, we're only going to be needing a ratchet and a socket, 19mm, and your pan. And we're going to be taking off, for the first step, is this guy right here. If you can see it, it's a 19mm. Take that off and let it drain. It up, just like that. Open it. Oops. Take it off. Just take it off all the way. Make sure the pan's there. Let the oil come out. You see that? Yeah, it's pretty watery. Let it come out. And to make it faster, take the cap off, if I could open it. Just like that. So it'll come out a lot smoother, a lot faster. Look at that. Yeah, it definitely smells like fuel. I'm glad I got this out. So let that come out for a while until the next step. Letting the oil drain, make sure you check the tip. See if I can get it to focus. The tip of the oil drain plug. Can't get it to focus, but check for metal shavings, anything huge and abnormal. That will give you a sign inside. Other than that, just wipe it down. Make sure, yeah, it won't focus. There you go. Make sure everything's okay. Clean it off and have all your parts clean. After it's all done, just clean it up a little bit, and it should stop dripping. You can see the little glass. It's empty. So just go ahead and put this guy back. The right side of the motorcycle now, right by the foot brake, and we're going to be removing our oil filter, which is located right here. I already loosened the bolts just to save us some time. There's one bolt here, one here, one here. It's a 5mm hex, so we can go ahead and remove this. Remember how the cap goes. Always remember how the cap goes. What screw goes where. That'll always save you some time, instead of trying to figure out how everything goes. This bottom one has a metal plate in the bottom. I honestly do not know what it's for, but it's there. I put it back because I found it there when I first did it. Don't mind my background noise. Sorry about that, guys. There it is, and here's the little metal piece. If someone in the comments knows what this is for, please comment. Let me know. I want to know what it's for. I always have a hard time taking it off, but this is what it is. I'm not sure what it's for. It goes in the bottom screw. So yeah, you could use your fingers, or you can, or maybe it's for this. I don't know. Just to pry it. Nope, I don't want to break it either. So yeah, you can use your fingers to wiggle this out, just like that. Or you can grab a flathead and pry it out. But here's your oil filter. Take that out, and I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. I don't know, that's me. I just like to wipe things down a little bit before I put something new. But there it is, right here. Let's get a closer look. Right there. So yeah, that's how you do that. I'm going to put the new oil filter in there, close it up. Simple steps, and take it from there. With the new oil filter, I like to grab some of the old oil or something just to get it nice and lubed up. Little O-rings on the filter itself, just like that. Just very little bit. Put it in. Just like that. It has O-rings on the cap as well. It has two, one right here and one back here. I like to lube those up a little bit too. Just like that. Some of the old oil. Put that on here on the cap. Just like that. You clean it afterwards. Make it look pretty all over again. Goes in. There's a little divot right there. That one goes on your top left. Just like that. Nice, easy push. Clean it off a little bit. Align the holes. Put the screws back on. Short one goes top left. Hand tighten it. The next one goes on the right. And the longer one with the metal, piece of metal, and clean it up a little bit. That one goes in the bottom, just like that. Just like that. Now we get to tighten them. I like to take turns on each one of them. Don't tighten it down all the way yet. Like that. Just like that. Go ahead and tighten it down. Nice little snug. Snug them down. Nice and tight. Just like that. There you go. You got your cap back on. Right there. Should be good to go. And to finish up this oil change, you're gonna need 3.3 quarts of oil. I accidentally poured one already without recording, so that is my bad. So we're gonna pour 2.3, but keep in mind it's 3.3. Let's go ahead and pour that in. Mine takes give me 1 second. 10W40. Just go ahead and pour that in there. Make sure you get all of it out. Alright, so this is my third one since I forgot to record. So that's 3 there total. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this guy right here. Just like that. We're gonna be checking our little flask down here. See how tall we were in. I don't know, let's see, let's try to zoom in. If you can see it, it's right there. But once you turn it on, it should suck up most of it and then give you a better reading. And then, let me see if I can get this here. But there's 2 dashes. There's one down here. Where am I? Sorry. One down here and one up here. In between there is good. I'm going to turn it on later since I can't turn it on yet. And once it sucks it all up, let it sit again on your center stand, just like that. On your center stand, and then give it a good reading, and then if you need to fill up some more, go ahead and do it. But that is it for oil changes. It's not crazy, no science to it, very simple. Sorry, I'm moving my camera too much. Very simple job to do, but hopefully, I mean, it helps somebody. You know, everybody starts somewhere, so if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and thanks for the support. Catch you later, guys.